Video number 25, lesson number 14. In this lesson, we're going to learn the final surmounted letter, sa. It's this letter right here. So this surmounted letter, sa, could go on top of 11 different consonants. And those 11 consonants are ka, ka, nga, nya, ta, tha, na, pa, pa, ma, and finally za. So this would be sa gapta ka, sa gapta ga, sa ngapta nga, sa nyapta nya, sa tapta ta, sa dapta da, sa napta na, sa papta pa, sa bapta ba, sa mapta ma, sa zapta za. With or without it is ka, ka without it, ga with it. So it's ka, ga. Nga without it, nga with it. So it's nga, nga. Nya without it, nya with it. So it's nya, nya. Ta with or without. Ta without it, da with it. So it's ta, da. Na without it, na with it. So it's na, na. Pa with or without it. Pa without it, ba with it. Ma without it, ma with it. So it's pa, ba, ma, ma. Za with or without it. So these are the 11 letters to which you could have this surmounted letter sa on top of it. And then the same examples here. And if you have noticed, this is the letter nga. So when you have any of these three surmounted letters, then nga, I mean, you can see a little change in the shape of the letter nga. And then same thing here, this is the letter ta in headless letters, and generally it looks like okay, let me give it a try. So generally this ta would look like something like that. Oops, let me try it again. Right there, and then oops, okay, and then something like that. But as you can see, there's a little extra stroke right there in the middle. So when you have any of these surmounted letters, then the letter ta becomes like this. Generally it looks like this. And then same thing here. See this stroke right here is the extra. Generally ta is kind of like from here to here, so it's from here to here. But since you have the surmounted letter, then there's an extra stroke right there. And then this is pa. Now this is totally changed. See, if you look here, generally pa in oops, and it kind of looks like this, but now, and this sa right here changes to this character here, and then the pa changes to this letter right here. So this is totally different. And then this is sa zapta za. So there's a little difference that you guys have to keep in mind. But on the headed letters, all the letters, I mean, they don't change at all. So that's something to keep in mind. And then at the bottom I have a couple of examples. So the first one is sa kapta katha ke, sa gapta ga yata gya shabkyu gyura gyur, ke gyur. Ke gyur means translator. Ke meaning language, gyur means change. So it means basically means language changer or translator. And then the second one is sa gapta ga naro goma gom. Gom meaning meditation. Sa ngapta nganaro ngo chala cel ngo cel. Ngo generally means green, cel meaning vegetable, so it's green veg. And then the next one is sa nyapta nya kiku nyinga nying nata ne nying ne. Nying ne means nying means heart, ne meaning disease, so it's heart disease. And then the next example is sa tapta taka tak pa rata ta shabkyu tuka tuk tak tuk. Tak meaning tiger, tuk meaning cub, so it's tiger cub. Tuk generally by itself could means kids, babies or children, so tiger cub. And then sa dapta da kiku dikha dik jana chen, dik chen meaning sinner. Dik means sin, and then when you add chen, it kind of means somebody who commits sin, so sinner. And then sa naptatna pashabju pa shabkyu pukapuk napuk, napuk meaning nose. Sa papta pa naro bösa bö, bö means incense. And then the next one is sa bapta ba yata ja kiku jinna jin la dengbo lena len jin len. Jin meaning give, len meaning take, so give and take, jin len. Sa mapta mana men kanga kang, men kang. Men kang means hospital. Men by itself means medicine. Kang means house, there's medicine house meaning hospital. And then ho sa zapta zala zel, zel meaning to give or to grant. And so these are the examples. So basically this is the third surmounted letter. In lesson number 12 I think we learned on the rango, and then in lesson number 13 we learned the lango, and today we are learning the sango, the last one. So, and these are the examples down here, and I think that's pretty much it for this lesson. So keep practicing, and until the next video, if possible, please help others. If not, at least refrain from harming others. Thanks a lot.